Good morning, guys. In front of me is DOOGEE V30, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. First, open the settings, then find and select the display and go to wallpaper. Now choose the source from which you want to select your wallpaper. It can be some from live wallpapers, your own photos, or wallpapers selection. Reopen it. So let's go with this one, then select Set Wallpaper, and finally decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both home and lock screen. And that's it. As you can see from now on, this brand new wallpaper is set up on both home and lock screen. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.